Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel Physics with Mr. Ahmed. Guys, the previous lesson we finished already section 2, but section 3 is left. Section 3, guys, is not that much important. It isn't necessary even to study. It's not important. We will not study. Even most of the teachers, even my students too, I told them to skip this section 3. So it's not important. Directly, we've got at the end of this chapter 1 some of the examples I highlighted important. We'll show some of them, chapter 1, because at the end of each chapter we have some example. Guys, first I'd like to show you and to solve question 1. Question 1. Guys, question is about the type of the physics. You have some example, part A, B, C, D. Which type of the physics is example? For example, part A, building a lower stereo system in your car. Guys, this is inside the car. We have a radio. You have to hear the voice, right? When you play the radio, you have to hear the voice. So the voice is first, the voice is sound. And sound is a type of the vibration. We know. Lower is like stereo system. Of course, it's sound. So sound is vibration and wave. Okay, but another type we have another type. This radio, how the radio is working by magnetic and magnetism, by electricity, like the structure and how is working the radio by magnets, like it's working. So that's why radio or the type is electromagnetism too, because by magnet they can give us uh, the voice, so it's working by magnets. That's why another type we have, it's electromagnetism. Example of first part. Okay, the part B, it's written bungee jumping. Guys, bungee jumping is a type of the playing that is a type of the playing. First, which type? It's written jumping. Of course, jumping is motion. So motion, it's mechanic. So first, mechanic. Mechanic. Again, there's another type. Bungee jumping type is again vibration, guys, because this type of motion, bungee jumping, is a person like it's playing with the elastic, like with a wire. The type of the playing, it's a person that can play with the wire. So the wire is surround the person, it goes up and goes down. So it's take a while after playing to stop. So it's vibrate. So that's why bungee jumping even is mechanic and vibration too. Okay. Part C, judging how to hot stove burner is by looking at it. Guys, again, this is two type of physics. Let me tell you and important how we know. First, you have looking at it. Looking at it, of course, by your eyes you can look anything. So looking is optic, by your eyes, it's view. So part C, optic first. Part C is the answer of part C. Okay, I mentioned, look, part C. Another type of physics we have, guys, in here it's written stove. Stove, you know what's the meaning of stove? Stove is a device. It's a device like even your mom, your parents, like they have in home. Stove is a device that it's used for cooking or for heating the food. So heating or cooking the food is what is thermodynamic. Thermodynamic. So the answer of part C, because we have stove is a device for cooking heat, this is thermodynamic, and we have a looking at it is an optic. Okay, the last one we have cooling off on a hot day and by dividing into a swimming pool. Okay, guys, that one. Let me raise it. Wait a minute. The last one is left, part D. Let me highlight it. The important thing. Hot or coolings and swimming. Wait, still it's two type of physics. Physics, we have cool and hot. So we know cool and hot, still it's temperature, so the type is thermodynamic. Thermodynamic. Guys, you have swimming. Of course, when you are swimming, when you go into the water, your whole body is moving. So it's moving, it's type of mechanic. First, we have hot and cooling is thermodynamic. So you have another thing, it's written swimming. Of course, swimming, it's moving. Your whole body under the water is moving. So moving is mechanic. Okay. Question 1 done. I hope you understand. Just start with the physics. Okay. Guys. Question. You have question 6 important, yeah. Question 6, look. Question 6. If you square the speed expressed in meter per second, guys, we studied in the table, I told you important, the unit of speed, even it's written here, look, meter per second. The unit of speed is meter per second. The question said square. Square, you studied in math, square, it means power 2. So the question in general said we have the unit of speed, just square the unit of speed, just square it. When I squared, like show us the last or the result of the unit is equal to what? We know this 2 is for both of the unit, right? So it's gonna be m squared over s square. That's all. Just the unit of speed is meter per second power 2, and the 2 distribute for both of them, it will be m square and s square. Question 7. Question 7. If you divide a force is measured by 1 newtons kilogram times meter per second square. Divide by what? By speed. Okay. So divide force unit again. Force unit, by speed. Divide the unit for each one of them and show us the unit is equal to what? The unit of force, you have to write this kilogram and dot meter per second square over the unit of speed. Now we said it's meter per second. Okay. Because the question said, guys, divide force by speed. Force by speed, but the unit of force is equal to kilogram times meter over s square, and speed is meter per meter over second. So now we have to simplify, guys. Simplify. The meter with meter, it will be cancelled, and 1 second with 1 second is going to be cancelled. So in up, just kilogram is left. Kilogram with 1 second is left, because it was 2 seconds, and 1 second with the down is cancelled. So in here 1 second is left. So kilogram over second. In here no unit is left, so both of them is cancelled. Just in the up, kilogram is left over 1 second is left. So the answer is kilogram over second. Question is important, that question. Okay. Okay, guys. Question 2 now, that is important. Question 8. Wow, that's important. Question 10 important, guys. Question 10, you have Einstein's rule. Is the famous equation of Einstein. Energy. Look, energy E equal to mc squared. This is the rule where c is the speed of light and m is the mass of the object. Is given this, what is the SI unit? Guys, what is the SI unit of energy? We know the unit of energy is joule, we know, but you have to prove, like show me how we know energy is equal to joule. Okay, guys, first, energy equal to joule equal, what is the unit of mass? It's kilogram, right? Okay, and what was the unit of c? It's speed. C is speed. So the unit of speed, it was meter per second, and because it's square, we have to add square, and this is the answer. That's all. I'm gonna write again, guys. Look, look, the unit of energy, the rule is mc square. The question said, show me how you know the unit of energy is equal to joule. Okay, first we know energy unit is joule equal. The mass is kilogram. And the speed is meter per second. But because square, you have to square. This is the last answer. I'm done. Okay. Guys, question 11, important, of course. This is actually so important, guys, this chapter. Only this is so important. Question 6, you have some conversion. First, I would like to show you how we convert part C, how we can make 60 gram to microgram. Guys, we have 16 gram. We studied how we make it to microgram. This is symbol of microgram. I said the rule. First, write the number 16 gram times make a line. We said because it's gram, copy the unit. In the app, the question said make it what? Make it micro. So the micro is supposed to be in up. What was the rule? 1 micro equal to 10 power negative 6 gram. Right? The micro 10 power negative 6 all time. Apply the rule now. We have 1 micro, so the one in up, 10 power negative 6 gram. 10 power negative 6 gram. So the gram with grams will be cancelled. The down is 1. 1 times 10 power negative 6, the down, still 10 power negative 6. And 16 times 1, still 16. So guys, in that case, look, in that case, actually done, but you have to arrange it, not arrange. Look, the answer. The 10 power negative 6 moved in up is going to be positive. So the answer is 16 times. When you move it up, the signs will be positive to 10 power positive 6. 6 by what? By microgram. Okay, part C, 60 gram as a micro. Okay. Now part D. Or wait, let me solve another one. We did part C. Part D, 0.75 kilogram. Make it centimeter. Guys, do you have a rule directly convert kilogram to centimeter? No. So first step, this question is two part. First step, as I said, even the previous lesson. First step, we have to convert the kilogram to meter, then meter to centimeter. First, write the rule of kilometer. Yalla, 0.75 kilometer multiply, make a line is kilometer, copy the unit, kilometer. In up, I would like to convert to meter first. First make it meter. So that write the meter in up. The rule of meter, it was 1 kilometer equal to 10 power 3 meter, right? 10 power 3 meter. I'll apply the rule. 1 kilometer in down now, 10 power 3 meter in up. So the kilogram with kilogram cancel. 0.75 times 10 power 3 still equal to 0.75 times 10 power 3. Now by meter, because the kilogram cancel, just kilometer cancel, just meter is left. So we've got the answer by 0.75 times 10 power 3 meter. Now we can convert easily to centimeter. Okay, let me erase this. Okay, the answer it was 0.75 times 10 power 3 meter. Now we can convert to centimeter. Again, copy 0.75 times 10 power 3 meter. Make a line meter. In up, we have to write centimeter because I like to convert to centimeter. Guys, the rule of centimeter, look, 1 centimeter equal to 10 power 2 meter. Sorry, negative 2. 1 centimeter, or we can write another relation. 1 centimeter equal to 10 power negative 2 meter, or 1 meter equal to 10 power 2. No, but like that, understand? Yes, like that, easy. 1 centimeter equal to 10 power negative 2 meter. يلا apply now. 1 centimeter in up, 10 power negative 2 in down. So the meter cancel. 0.75 times 10 power times 1, still same. I'm gonna write in here, okay? Still 0.75 times 10 power 3 over the down is 1, so 1 times 10 power negative 2, still 10 power negative 2. Guys, in here write the 0.75, don't touch it, times, and the base both are 10, so write down 10, write the 3 and negative 2 inside the bracket. So in fraction we know we minus it, so negative with negative will be positive, so you plus it. 3 plus 2, 5. So the answer 0.75 times 10 power 5 now is by centimeter. Okay, done. Part C2 is done. Sorry, part D. Yeah, part guys, part E, if same thing. Part look, part E 0.670 milligram, so easy. 10 power negative 3 microcentimeter again by 2 step. Guys, do it by yourself, easy. If there's any question, you can tell me, okay, Baba? Guys, question 18, 19 about significant figure. So easy. But question 90 is most important. That's why I like to solve question 90. But question 80 is same, easy. Do it by yourself. Question 19, guys, we study significant figure. How many significant figure are there in the following measurement? We study the type. Guys, we will not count this, okay? Skip that number. Just we have to count the first one. So part A, all its number, and we say number, all its countable. So how many digits that we have? Look. How many digits that you have, Baba? We have 7, 8, 9, 3 digits. So the answer, we have 3 significant figure. Part B, again, you have just number. We have 4 numbers, so 4 significant figure. Part C2, we have 3 numbers, so 3 significant figure. Part D, be careful. The rule we said, if we have 0 alone from the left side, the 0 is not countable. So just we will count the number. We have 2 numbers, so we have 2 significant figure. Okay. Guys, question 13, too easy. I think so. Most of them is easy. Guys, question 15. Can set of the measurement be precise but not accurate? Explain. Of course, guys. Sometimes the questions like just precise, sometimes like just accurate, sometimes both of them, sometimes none of them. Why not? So this is the answer of question in general. Why not? Sometimes accurate, sometimes precise. Question 16, same. How many significant? Part A, because we have only 0 after the number, there is no point, so just count the 3, only one significant figure. Part B, 2, 5, 3 is countable, the 0 is countable too, because first in here in the middle, and the other 0 is countable too, because the 0 after the point. So in here all is countable, so count all. 2, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so 5 significant figure. Part C, the 0 from the left side is not countable, you know. The 6 countable, the 0 countable, the 7 countable, the 0 is countable, so it's 4. The total is 4. Question 6, part is same. All it's countable because the 0 is in the middle. 1, 0, 0, all countable, it's 4. Question E, still all countable. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 significant. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all it's countable. It's easy, guys, even we studied all. Another example we have, that one, important, that example, guys. Suppose that we have two quantity A and B have a different dimension. So A and B different dimension. Which of the following operation could be physically meaningful? Guys, I give you notes. Operation, you can write this in a notebook. or in a signal anywhere. Operation of divide and multiply just for two different dimensions are meaningful. If the question said two different dimension, the answer is should be multiply and divide. So part A is not the answer because plus. Part D is not the answer because negative. Part B, C together is the answer because there is a divide and multiply. Because the question said we have two different dimensions, the answer should be by divide and multiply. Guys, in general, chapter 1, really there is so many examples because even your teacher too, he will not explain most of them. Some of them that maybe is important, so I just highlight some of them for the exam important. Chapter 1, but from chapter 2, 3 you have so many important questions. So in general, enough chapter 1. We finished chapter 1, guys. But if still you don't understand, maybe your teachers explain most of the question. If you don't understand, you can inform me. I wrote down like my phone numbers. Tell me, I'm gonna explain for you. Why not? Guys, today is enough. I'm done. We solved some of the examples. You can screenshot the answer even. Thank you for all. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you so much. For the next video, inshallah, we'll start to explain chapter 2. Inshallah, chapter 1 finish in general. Chapter 2, inshallah, in the upcoming videos. Thank you for all. Thank you.